Fiberglass tapes are usually assembled into a middle layer of fiberglass tape reinforcement layer by wrapping them onto the inner pipe by one wrapping machine. Nowadays, there are two main types of wrapping machines in the market. The first one is the planetary-wrapping machine, and the second one is the coaxial wrapping machine that Bandline chooses to use. The planetary-wrapping machine consists of multiple wrapping pads, and there is a potential limitation of the fiberglass tape width. So smaller widths of fiberglass tapes are usually used 50-60 millimeters. In addition, planetary wrapping machine inevitably have problems with wrapping gaps during the wrapping process, which can also cause some troubles in the production process if the gaps are uneven or too large and need to be adjusted. The coaxial wrapping machine that Bandline chooses to use perfectly solves these problems.
The fiberglass tape can be adjusted in width and thickness up to 360 millimeters, which can save more time and cost of wrapping process. Secondly, the coaxial wrapping machine can be adjusted to the best wrapping angle at the very beginning of the program design, so there is almost no wrapping gap. Even if there is a gap, it is very convenient to adjust the wrapping angle during the production in time. In addition, the coaxial winder does not require downtime to change the fiberglass tape, which greatly saves the cost and time of downtime. After the fiberglass tape is wrapped, the heating process of the TCP is also very important. The pipe may be deformed if the temperature is too high or too low. The unique and patented technology of fast cooling and fast heating solves this problem and achieves the best quality of fiberglass tape wrapping performance.